Hello guys, in this video we're doing inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let's consider a matrix that has the following variables. Let me call it matrix A, B, C, D, like that. So in order to find inverse of this matrix, first thing we need to do is to find the determinant of the matrix. So the formula for calculating determinant is equal to AD minus BC. The product of A and D minus the product of B and C. Then after getting the determinant, the inverse, which is the A inverse, it's A power minus 1, that shows that it's now inverse. It's going to be 1 over determinant. Then inside the brackets, we are going to swap the position of A and D. D will come on the position of A, and A will go on the position of D. Then these two, they're not going to switch the position, but what is going to happen is that you multiply with a negative. So that is going to be minus B. And this is going to be minus C, like this. Then let me write our determinant. That will be 1 over AD minus BC. Then D minus B, then minus C, then A. So that will be our inverse in general form. Let us have an example. Determine the inverse of matrix M 1, 2, 3, 2. So what we need to do, the first thing is to find our determinant. Determinant is AD minus BC. Our A, which is 1 times our D, which is 2. Then minus our BC, which is 2 times 3. So that is going to be 2. 1 times 2 is a 2, and 3 times 2 it's a 6. So 2 minus 6, that's going to give us minus 4. That's our determinant. Therefore, our inverse, which is the M to the power negative 1, is going to be 1 over determinant. So that will be 1 over minus 4. Then A and D, they swap. So here we're going to have a 2, then here we have a 1. Then the other 2, B and C, you multiply with a negative. So that is going to be minus 2 and minus 3. That will be our inverse. You can end here, or others will choose to distribute this minus 4 inside. You will say minus 1/4 multiplied by 2. That will give us minus half. Then minus 1/4 times minus 2. We are going to get a positive half. Then for this one, minus 1/4 times minus 3, that is going to give us positive 3 over 4. Then the last one, minus 1/4 multiplied by a 1, that will stay minus 1 over 4. That will be our inverse. But if you end here, it's all okay. So this is how we calculate inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Thank you guys for watching this video.